carpenters, iron workers, laborers, they're all exposed to falls on a daily basis through the course of their job on a construction site. And so particular safeguards have to be taken in order to protect the workers from those fall hazards that they're going to encounter. Unfortunately, a lot of times ladders are used on construction sites and they're not the right tool for the job. Ladders require at all times 3 points of contact. And if you're going to do work from a ladder, that right there means that you're going to violate that 3 point of contact safety rule. The scaffolds require that they be designed and constructed appropriately, and often you see that scaffolds, even if they are designed appropriately, are not necessarily constructed appropriately. That can lead to injury, almost always does. Fall protection systems are one of the most vital safeguards to workers on construction sites, in particular as it relates to protecting them against fall hazards. A few different types of fall protection systems that are typically used on construction sites are barricade systems. Basically, those are essentially put in place to protect against openings on the side of buildings or edges, what they call leading edges, so protect you against going over that edge. There are also safety harnesses and lanyard systems, where essentially a lanyard is tied off to a safety harness, and so if a worker should somehow unexpectedly fall off of a leading edge, that lanyard serves to arrest that fall. Any fall protection system that's going to be used on a construction site has to be designed and built in accordance with applicable safety regulations, most commonly the OSHA safety regulations. As with any work that's done on a construction site, training is vitally important because it provides the workers and it provides the companies that are doing that work with the necessary resources and tools to ensure that the work is going to be done in a safe manner. One of the very biggest safety principles is to make sure that that work site is kept clean. That takes planning and it takes proper supervision and enforcement. If you don't have a clean work site, then you are unnecessarily exposing workers that are working there to a hazard that is otherwise totally avoidable through proper management and care. Workers can be protected against fall hazards 100% of the time. What that requires, though, in order to really ensure and deliver on that, is that it is properly planned in advance and that all the fall hazards associated with every particular work task has been identified and protected against.